This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download the Ledger Live wallet. Now, I'm right here on the Ledger Live wallet download page. You can find it at this really long URL right here. I'll shorten that URL and I will put the link in the video description, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now, Ledger Wallet will know what operating system you're on, so we simply have this download button here that you just need to click. So it's a super simple process. There are different versions right here, so they've got an iOS version, an Android version, we've got Linux, Mac OS there, which is the system that I'm on, and we also have Windows, so we can check for compatibility as well right there. But in general, you will just click on this black download button. It will move you down to here, and then you'll just select your operating system. So I am on Mac OS, like I say, so we click on that, and then automatically that will download, and that will go to the downloads folder as I have Google Chrome. So depending on your browser, your downloads location might vary. Mine goes directly to my downloads folder on my Mac. Hopefully you found this video on how to download the Ledger Wallet app useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like